welcome to my channel. Hello everyone, today I'm gonna show you a review video of the eyeshadow palettes collections that I have, and I'm sure you're gonna love it, so stay tuned and keep watching my video for more details. Let's start with this rainforest eyeshadow palette from Tarte, and this is actually on sale right now, so currently if you are looking to forward more, you can go for it. So the actual price of this palette is $39, but currently it is on sale for $29 only. It is a beautiful looking palette. The design is also so cool that you are definitely gonna love it. I'm gonna show you the colors what are inside. So without wasting further time, let's go for it. It is a great palette and it has a collection of multiple eyeshadow colors and also for cheeks. Now let's review another palette which is also from Tarte and the name is Frosted. So this eyeshadow is named as Sweet Tart Frosted Eyeshadow Palette and it is for $32. It has great pinkish colors which are very good for occasions like party wear and so on. So you can try and definitely you're gonna love it. So you can comment below and let me know if you like the shades. Here is another palette that I'm gonna review, but not today, in the next video. So stay tuned, keep watching, and I will see you in my next video.